Hello everyone, my name is Mandam Pandotra. I am a student of BSc Agriculture second year. The topic of my presentation is production technology of lychee. Before beginning with the presentation, I would like to thanks to our course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for his constant support during this pandemic and teach a new way of learning. Here are the contents of my presentation. Let's begin with the introduction. Lychee is a delicious fruit of excellent quality. The translucent flavored aerial or edible flesh of the lychee is popular as table fruit in India. The scientific name of lychee is Lychee chinensis. It belongs to kingdom Plantae, order Cypandales, family Cypandaceae, genus Lychee, species chinensis. The origin. The region of lychee is from South China, particularly the provinces of Guangdong and Fujian. The spread of lychee to other parts of the world was slower due to climatic requirements, soil and short lifespan of its seed. Lychee reached in India through Myanmar and northeast during the 18th century. Importance. Lychee is a rich source of vitamin B, vitamin C, riboflavin. Apart from these fats, carbohydrates, minerals, proteins, it is a good source of antioxidants. It helps to reduce abdominal fat. It can fight liver cancer. Lychee fruit reduce inflammation. Uses. It makes an excellent canned fruit. Highly flavored squash is prepared during summer. Pickles wines are also made in China. Dried lychee is called lychee nutamong chinensis. It has numerous beauty and health benefits. Lychee fruit for aiding weight loss and digestion to treating influenza and reducing the sign of aging. Area and production. India is the second largest producer of lychee in the world after China. Other major producing countries are Thailand, USA, South Africa, Florida. The area under cultivation is 58.2 million hectare. Production 356.2 metric ton. Productivity 6.1 metric ton per hectare. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Punjab are the major lychee producing states. Soil requirement. Well drained, well deep, loamy soil rich in organic matter and free from hard substrate is best suited for its cultivation. High lime content soil is also beneficial. Sandy loam or clay loam with the pH range of 5.5 to 7 and sufficient soil depth is ideal for the lychee cultivation. Climate. Lychee is a subtropical crop. It thrives best under warm subtropical climate. The temperature should not go beyond 40.5 degrees Celsius in summer and below freezing point in winter. Hot winds result in fruit cracking during summer, while too much rainfall at the time of flowering interferes with pollination. Varieties. Early Badana. It is the earliest medium to poor yielding variety but bears regularly. The yield of this variety is 50 to 80 kg per tree. Size of fruit small to medium. Shape oval. TSS 19.8%. Muzaffarpur. It is an important variety of lychee grown in Bihar and other adjacent states. The yield is about 80 to 100 kg per tree. Size small to medium. Shape hard to oval. TSS 20.3% and the pulp is grayish white. Dehradun. Late season variety. Yield about 80 to 90 kg per tree. Size medium. Shape hard to conical. TSS 17%. Kolkata. It is the best of all the varieties in northern India. Yield 80 to 100 kg per tree. Size large. Shape oblong. TSS 18.17%. Late Badana. This variety is not completely devoid of seed but is rather shaved and small in size. Yield is about 80 to 100 kg per tree. Size medium to large. Shape conical. TSS 20%. The pulp is creamy, white, soft, juicy, rose scented. It is famous for rose aroma and cultivated for table purpose in Muzaffarpur area of Bihar. Yield is about 80 to 90 kg per tree. Shape medium to large. Shape oval. Exotic varieties. These varieties are found in China and Germany. China, No Mais Tasi, Hazilang Li, Tataso, Germany, Hakyep, Brewester, and McLean. Field preparation. Land is cleared and pits of 1 meter dug up a few weeks beyond planting and kept open for 20 days and then filled with FIM manures, canal slit, leaf mold, soil from lychee orchid. Full of mycorrhizal, it is also added and water to set mixture. Square system at 7.5 to 10 meter apart is adapted. After planting, the land is not allowed to dry. Planting done in monsoon. Propagation and rootstock. Lychee is commercially propagated by air layering, also known as marcoting and gutting. About 2 cm wide ring of bark is removed just below a bud from a healthy and vigorous twig, and the cut is wrapped with the polythene sheet containing sphagnum moss. Ends are tied with white tape. When sufficient roots are formed in 2 months, the branch is cut below the soil and potted in nursery done in July-October. Manure and fertilizer. It depends on the age of tree. If the age of tree is 1 year, the FIM required is 5 kg urea 95, DAP 50 and MOP 25 respectively. No. FIM diammonium phosphate MOP should be applied in December. Half of urea should be applied in middle of February and other half in middle of April from fruit set. Irrigation. Irrigation needs more in summer. Young one needs irrigation twice a week during April-June. In bearing trees, irrigation needs is critical during flesh development. Irrigation during May to June help to reduce cracking of fruit to great extent. Intercropping. Farmers should consider intercropping for extra income during first 4 years, as lychee is a long gestation crop taking about 5 to 6 years to fruiting stage. The main advantage of intercropping is enriching the soil. Any vegetable intercrop such as legume crop. Harvesting and yield. Generally, lychee fruit mature 50 to 60 days after fruit set. Maturity of the fruit is determined by flatness of tubules and smoothness of apicarp. Besides, the changes in fruit color to deep red when fully matured. Fruits are harvested at this stage in bunches. A fully grown tree yields about 0.8 to 1.5 quintal of fruit. Insects, pests and their control. Mite. In this, nymph and adult suck up surface of leaf, shoots turn yellow to grayish yellow. Affected leaves get curled, twisted. Take 2 sprays of 3 ml per liter Dicofol 18.5 EC with interval of 7 days. Fruit borer. It feeds on pulp and thus damage fruit. Take combined spray of nimbicidine 50 gram per 10 liter of water plus cypermethrin 25 EC 8 ml per 10 liter of water plus diclofenac 20 ml in 10 liter at fruit set. Fruit fly. In this, female lays egg below epidermis of young fruits. Maggots feed on pulp and afterwards the fruits start rotting and get dropped. Take spray of phenylbutyrate at the rate of 80 ml in 150 liter of water at weekly intervals. Shoot borer. In this, borer make holes in the plant due to which the nutrients and water movement get stopped and plant dies. Plugging is done with the use of kerosene oil, petrol and cotton plugs to stop the activity of the borer. Disease and their control. Anthracnose, the deep chocolate color irregular spots are observed at leaves, fruits, stem, flowers. Spray Bodex or 0.2% Captain as preventive measure during the month of February, April and October. Roundry mildew. It is also known as brown blight. Brown lessons along with white powder mildew is observed on leaves, flowers and immature flowers. Spray 0.3 copper oxychloride to keep a check on this disease. Thank you.